Hey, I'm David, co-founder at Suncel, the CMS for Next.js. Today I'm going to give you a crash course on the Suncel's visual editor. Let's go! So what we want to have as a result is this kind of page with a hero section with a big title, big H1 title, a description, a picture here, a quote, another picture, a YouTube video, and some rich text. Okay, so let's go. We are now in the admin panel of Suncel and in the pages section. Here you can create a folder or you can create a page. I'm already in the demo folder, okay, and I want to create a new page. I call it Travel in America. But I don't want this URL to be mywebsite.com/demo folder/travel in America. I want it to be mywebsite.com/demo folder, and that's it. So what I can do is click on is root, and I won't have any slug, and it will be the URL that I just said. And now I can create the page. Okay, so the page is created. I click on it. And now what I want to do is to add blocks. Here you have the header and you have the footer. The header and the footer are done by the dev team when they set up the website. And then after that, you don't have to care about it. You can add new section, new links, but it's not in the visual editor of Suncel. Okay, so you can see as well that this page is unpublished. So we will add a new block. And here there is a new window, which is the blocks library. In the blocks library, there is all the blocks that your dev team has done during the setup. Okay, so here you can see there is several tabs, and in this tab there is some blocks here, and then I will choose a block here. It's a hero block. Okay, and now I will start editing my page with the text. Okay. Okay, so you can edit the button as well. Here, video tour. And I just changed the text here. Okay. What I have to do is to change the picture as well. So I click on it. It opened the asset window. And here I have my picture. And my block is okay. Okay. If I want, I can change the link on the button here. This is this link. I can change it to another link. And so here I choose to open it on new tab. I can switch it off. I can change the link to an internal page here, for example. I can change the link to an internal link internal to the page. So I have to select titles here. So for now there is no H2 or H3 title, but we will see that later. And I can change as well the rel attribute. Okay, no follow, no pinner, no referrer, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what I have to do now is to add new blocks. Okay, I want those blocks. I want a quote, I want a big picture, and I want a video, and I want a rich text. Let's go. So I go to layout, on feature. Okay, so I add a new picture. I'm going to change my title. Okay, so here you can see there is those 4 elements here. Inside this block there is repeatable elements. I can add another one, but here I don't want those elements, so I just trash them. Okay, so inside blocks you can have repeatable elements. Okay, so the first block is done. Now I want to add a second one, which is almost the same. And in fact, you can see that this block has been conceived such as you can invert text and picture. Okay, so what I will just do is to duplicate this block that I've just created. I will switch image and text, and now I will adjust the text and a picture. Okay, cool. So now I want to add a quote. So here there is a lot of components of blocks, and it's easy to find the one I want to find with the search bar. Okay, so I just type quote, and here I have my quote blocks. Okay. Okay, the block is done. Now I want to add a title. So I will just add a rich text, and I will change it to beautiful landscapes in Mexico. I want to add a picture. So I just type image, and here are my components with image. Okay, and I will add a new picture. I want to add this one. Okay. You can see on the right side that there is image properties, and here you can change the alt text for your SEO. You can change the size, for example, so you can reduce it, and you can change the padding and the margin. Okay, so now what I want to do is to create another title, H2 title. Okay, you can just change it like this, and I want to add a video. So here we have a video component, which is a cool component because it's doing lazy loading. So it's not loading the YouTube video because it can be heavy to load, but instead it first load a picture, the thumbnail picture, and then when the user click on the video is then loading. Okay, so now I want to change the video. So I just have to add the YouTube ID, and now you can see that this is the good video for Canada. Okay, so at the end what we want is to add a rich text. Okay, okay, so here I want a list, so just click on bullet list. During the setup you can change the style of the bullet list. You can have different lists in terms of style, and the developers can personalize the rich text editor as they want. So here you can have only H2, H3 for example, not H1. You can have only bold. You can change the style of the highlight here. You can add new stuff here. So the rich text is fully customizable, so you can change it and add what you want to have the style that match your website. So here I want an H2. Okay, so now I want to add links here, and to add a link it's very simple. Just click on here, you add the external URL. Okay, you can open it in the new tab. And what I tell you at the beginning of the video about the internal links. So here we have now some titles, okay, and you can, if you want, change the link here and select select the title. Okay, so if you want, when the people click on the button to go at the end of the page, you can just click on here. Okay, so our page is done. That's cool, that was very quick. And now what we want to do is to save our page. Okay, and you can see here that there is different version. Okay, so I just click once on the save button, but if I change it a little bit here and I click on save, you will see there is two version now. Okay, and you can as well publish your page. Okay, so now your page is live and can be accessible through the web. I just reload it and now it's published. Okay, so you can go to this URL and you will see this page. Okay, but it's not really complete. Now what I have to do is to edit the SEO. So to edit the SEO, there is an SEO module here. You click on it and you can feed your title, description, keyword. You have as well OG meta. You have structured data here. So let's go to discover that. Oops. Okay, so this is your keyword, your page title, page description. Then OG meta. You can select a picture here. I will select this one, for example. So this is for Facebook and this is for Twitter. And if you want just to duplicate here, it's very simple. You just click on same as Facebook and you have then all the picture. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. So you have your structured data as well. So you can choose a lot of structured data, like FAQ, for example. Okay, so here I create a question, and then at the end you have a JSON file inside the page that can be used for Google. But here I don't want that. I just want an article. And so here you have to take care that the URL is the good URL. Okay. So since at the beginning I didn't put any slug to my page, and the page is at the root of the demo folder, the URL is just this. Okay. In this advanced tab, here you have some important option about your indexing, for example, and other data that can be used by Google. Here you have sitemap information, like the priority of the page and the update frequency. What you have to do is when you create a new page and you publish it, the page is put inside your sitemap, and so you don't have to do that manually. And when you update page, the date is updated as well in the sitemap, and when you delete a page, the page is deleted in the sitemap. So that's done automatically by Suncel. A quick word on responsive design. As you can see in the builder, we choose simplicity. It means that it's the dev team that manage the responsive in the blocks, and you don't have to care about it. And then you can just see the result here in medium screen, in small screen. Thanks for watching.